Everyone's connected, but everyone's at home, scrolling through the void, rotting on the phone. I walk through the city, everyone's a ghost, chasing the life they saw inside a post. We treat the heart like a weakness, something to hide, lock the feelings in a device, bury them inside. My nervous system screaming, but I cut the wire, set my intuition on a funeral fire. See, the body is an antenna, it's meant to receive, but we filter out the truth just so we can breathe. They said feeling is dangerous, keep it low, now the signal is dead, and we don't even know. We train the body to ignore the sound, now we're lost in the noise, beaten down to the ground. I'm paralyzed, I can't read the signs, buried underneath the lies that I design. Choking on the silence, severing the cord. I can't feel the truth, I can't feel the world. Let's just know, let's just know, I just know, I just know. Now look at the screen, yeah, scroll the feed, feeding the jealousy, feeding the greed. You sense a little danger, but you push it away. Don't be irrational, that's what they say. Hey, but the gut was right, yeah, the gut knew the score. But you don't trust yourself, you don't feel anymore. I see my own scars on every face I meet, confusing who I am with the stranger on the street. It ain't connection, man, it's just a mess, drowning in the lights while we dying of stress. It ain't connection, man.